So today we'll be discussing our 3 favorite methods of vinyl application and the removal at the end. So the first one we're going to talk about here is the gravity method. So be sure to put the tape on the sides, not the top and bottom, for easy repositioning while you're leveling the vinyl. To level the vinyl, measure up to both bottom corners using any straight reference point nearby. Today Gerard is using the floor. You can also do this process with a level very similar to hanging a picture. So he's just putting extra tape across the top just for a little bit of extra security. It's important to note that you should only use masking tape or something similar for this process because high-tack tape can damage the wall and your vinyl. Now he's going to roll the vinyl up gently, then peeling back the first few inches of backing. So now he's going to lay the exposed adhesive side gently back onto the wall. Then you can start applying medium pressure with the squeegee, starting from the middle and moving side to side slowly downwards. Don't skip over any surface to avoid trapping air bubbles. Now that you're nearing the end of your vinyl, pull the rest of the backing off and finish squeegeeing. Now just remove your tape and you're finished. Next, we're going to talk about the butterfly method. This is best used for vinyl where the width is greater than the height, so think of a landscape orientation. We're going to set this one up very much like the last method, except he's not going to tape the top. Instead, he's putting one long piece of tape down the middle, so you can think of this as like the body of the butterfly. Now, Gerard is peeling the vinyl away from the backing, starting at either side. Keep in mind for longer pieces of vinyl, it's good to tape the non-adhesive side on the top corner that you're peeling just to keep it in place. Now just cut the backing off with scissors and you're ready to start squeegeeing. This time, top to bottom, but still starting from that middle point. Then just remove the tape from the middle and start again from the other side. This one is the door method. First, we're going to set up the same way, measuring the sides to make sure everything's level. This time, we're going to put a piece of tape along the length of one side. You can kind of think of this as a door hinge. Then you want to put a small piece of tape about midway up the opposite side, half of the tape on the wall and half of it on the vinyl. Use your squeegee to tear it flush with the edge of the vinyl. You're going to use this as a reference point later. Now, flip the vinyl around like opening a door. Peel the backing off a few inches and then gently close the door, making sure you line up the reference point. Put an extra piece of tape over the reference point, which is like locking the door. Now you can start squeegeeing from top to bottom while slowly peeling away the backing. For the removal process, always start from the top, pulling gently downwards so that the vinyl stays flat to the wall. This is the best method to avoid damaging the paint behind it.